All right, let's see if we can't win this one today. Nope. Hey everybody, real quick. So about a year ago, actually it was almost a year ago, it was like 15 days from now, I actually did a Phanteks vertical mount in the 011 Dynamic Mini. I'm going to readdress that. That video is 23 minutes long and it's gotten over 13,000 views, so I thank you guys for that. So what I'm actually going to do, we got an older Cooler Master, an old Cooler Master case. We're going to actually do this and we're going to do it in 5 minutes or less. All right, so I've got my trusty fake iFixit. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the old GPU, or the old GPU. We're actually going to go ahead and pull out the GPU. And there's a small little trick to this. So let's get the old one out. This one has a lot of sag. So we're going to try to do this in less than 5 minutes. I do have a wireless card at the bottom down here. Go ahead and undo that real quick. Pull that 16 or 1060 out of there. So what I'm going to do actually is just measure up which ones I need to pull out. So I need to pull out those 3. It's going to sit right on top of that wireless card there. So just so you know, this mount only works with open back cases. When you pull these off here and there's still slots going, it will not work. So here's the biggest thing that I've discovered. You put the GPU on the mount first and then you put it in. So we're going to scoot this back a little bit. So I'm going to use this box to put it on. So I'll click that in place. And we can turn that over. Oops, sorry. And then we'll put the screws in place. Just like so. Maybe. Like I said, less than 5 minutes. So then, now that's in, like that. Go ahead and set that aside. Get our screwdriver. Go ahead and put the ribbon on. See that one fall out there. So, got the power. Put the ribbon on, like so. Really need a zoom. Now, there's the power, put it over there. Oh, I missed one. Make sure you get them all, because I missed one. Make sure you get them all. All right. That's in. That's in. That's in. Come on. There it goes. All right, so less than 5 minutes. And there you have it, less than 5 minutes. Phanteks vertical mount, mounted in a old Cooler Master case. Nice and pretty. See you in the next one. Bye.